Bonjour tout le monde. I'm coming at you with Mike the dog. He's little, so you can't see him when he's on my lap, but here he is. Violet's in the other room today. So I just want to make a little video explaining our assignments for this week. So first off, I want to say thank you so much for being on top of sending me your homework this week. I had a ton of fun watching your Flipgrid videos. I'm so proud of you guys for how you responded to those, and I love all the pets that everyone shared. That is a great way if you don't want the video to be you. I love to see everybody's pets. Some people showed something from their favorite sports team that was super relative to what we're talking about. So even though that might be a little bit weird, I think that's going to be an awesome way for us to practice. Feel free to comment on each other's responses, like each other's responses. I saw that you were viewing each other's responses, which is nice. So thanks so much for being on top of that. And they were actually a lot more fun to watch than I thought. They put a smile on my face, so I hope that watching each other's was fun for you as well. So this week we're going to continue on with our sports vocab. So I know I'm throwing a ton of notes at you right now, but we are going to spend some time practicing the vocab, and I'm trying to think of ways that I can turn some things that we do together in class into things that you can do on your own. So we're just going to finish the sports vocab this week. So you already did the front page, and you already did the first page of descriptions. So let me look at my calendar. Yes, so Monday, I'm going to have another video just like I did where I'm narrating the PowerPoint. I'm really sorry that those are so quiet. I'm trying to find a microphone that will plug into these tablets because I have personal microphones that I use for my my personal computer, but the school tablet just does not want to recognize it. So I'm trying to get really close to my tablet so that I'm loud enough. Maybe if you listen to them with headphones on, it would be louder. But I'm sorry about how quiet those are. I'm gonna keep working on it. But you'll have another one of those PowerPoints narrating the basketball and soccer notes. So over here. And then you'll have the second sheet of descriptions is your homework for Tuesday. So, and it says le basket et le foot on top of it, on the top. So that's your Monday and Tuesday homework. And then Wednesday and Thursday, we're doing baseball and tennis. So that's the last page of the picture notes, baseball and tennis. And it is also the last set of descriptions, which is actually all the squares. So those are due. So let's have you turn in the basketball and soccer ones Wednesday morning by 9 o'clock. And then I can post a descriptions key. And then let's have you post the baseball and tennis descriptions by Friday. You can have more time to do that. Actually Friday morning by 9. And I'll post a key. So if you're posting after the key is up, I am not giving you credit for that assignment because I don't want people just looking at the key for the answers. So I'm giving you 2 days to do them all. Hopefully that's enough time. And then you have this mind map, which is the last page of your packet, and that's your homework for Friday, and you can have the weekend to do it. So what that is kind of like a graphic organizer. So you have like le foot is here, and then you have action, verb, les vêtements, les personnes, objet nécessaire. So what of our vocab words would you put for actions or verbs having to do with soccer? What clothing has to do with soccer, les vêtements? What people have to do with soccer? So what positions have we talked about that are in soccer, or just player can count? And then what objects do you need? So I did La Cage for you for that one. You need a goal. So what other objects do you need for soccer? So some words might be used more than once. That's fine, because they make sense for more than one sport. But yes, this will be assigned for Friday, and then you can have, and the conjugamos will be assigned on Friday. So let's say, just looking at when we're gonna stop practicing all this stuff. So let's say the sports mind map will be due Monday morning by 9 in the morning. And then that next week we're gonna be practicing the vocab. So I'm gonna put some activities that you can do on your own to practice the vocab. And then ideally we would have our vocab quiz on Friday, so that means conjugamos would be due Thursday night, which is April 2nd. And I'll remind you of this again in the future. How we're gonna do a quiz online, I haven't decided yet. I'll have to talk to some other teachers about what they're doing. There is a way that we can take assessments through PowerSchool. I think it has to be multiple choice. Maybe not though. I think it could be fill in the blank. But I'm gonna explore that. So tentatively we will have the sports vocab quiz Friday, April 3rd. So again, everything's gonna be posted on PowerSchool. I'm posting everything for the week all at once. So do it at your own pace, but if you're doing everything at once, it might be hard to like practice or study that way. So don't feel like you need to do everything at once. What I would do is set a time aside to be working on French every day. So then you're not going like multiple days without doing anything for a French class, or all of your classes is what I would do. So I think that's all I have for you for now. I hope you're all doing well. I miss being in class with you. I hope that we can be in class together again this year. Crazy times we're having, and I don't know what the future will hold, but I hope you're all doing well, taking care of yourself, FaceTiming each other, talking with your friends somehow that's still helping or allowing you to stay home. Make sure you're getting outside, getting some movement. Keep showing me your pets. I'll keep showing you Mike and Violet. I love seeing them. And take care of yourself. Wash your hands. And until next time, au revoir.